It is a sea of happy faces and a colorful atmosphere as the National Orthopedic Hospital Dala in Kano State gets a new 1.5 Tesla magnetic resonance imaging system in its facility. It is an intervention delivered by the NNPC Foundation Limited, a social impact arm of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited.
Today, to do this cutting of this tape and also the unveiling and also the handover and commission of handover of the 1.5 Tesla GE MRI for the glory of God and also the good of all humanity, people of Kano State and all Nigerians.
Present at the handover ceremony is the Kano State Governor, who is represented by the State Commissioner of Health, the Chief Medical Director of Dala Orthopedic, officials of the NNPC and stakeholders. The commissioning is the beginning of hope for many patients who can now access advanced diagnosis for accurate treatment as the Kano State government applauds the gesture while demanding more interventions.
And now that Kano State has this, it will improve our ability to detect diseases early and to diagnose accurately in Kano. Because most of the time people have to travel abroad to get just a diagnosis. A center that has about 100 beds, I am not sure I have seen any center with that capacity in the whole of this country. So that's why I made the appeal, and I'm still appealing.
The NNPC Foundation Limited notes that the installation of the MRI machine is in response to healthcare needs as Nigerians face real pressure when advanced diagnoses are needed.
Poor people cannot get diagnosed because of the exorbitant amounts of money. So, and this is one of the hospitals that is critical in the northern region, really northern region, not just not just here not just here, but north central, north west, and northeast. That it's a very old hospital, 67, and it's a hospital that does with everything on spinal issues in Nigeria. It's the biggest spinal center in Nigeria, and so we felt that to deal with the issue of ailments and treating medical assets, it's best to have a best diagnostic center.
She further stated that the core of the foundation is people-oriented.
In its 3 years of existence, it's been called the most responsible company all across Africa, not just Nigeria. So last year, we won the Ceras Award for the most responsible company based on the interventions we've done in the health, education, environment, and access to energy. It strengthens our brands. Most people are knowing NNPC, not just for the hydrocarbon and energy we supply, but also for the human factor and also social interventions in human lives.
The Chief Medical Director of Dala National Orthopedic Hospital notes that these interventions will be impactful as other neighboring states and even countries will have access to MRI services.
We've been trying to get an MRI machine for ages, but thank God NNPC Foundation came to our aid, and now we have this machine. We have the oldest spine complex or center in the country, which houses the admission, clinic, and operation theater, and we've been having referrals. And one of the key, almost every patient that comes to the spine center must have an MRI. Now the patient has to go some distance at a higher cost. Now he just comes in, wheel in here, get it done, and then the treatment is done immediately. So that is a big advantage. So we will now continue to thank the NNPC Foundation and NNPC as a whole.
The NNPC Foundation Limited remains optimistic that these interventions, not only in Kano State, but across the country, mark a step forward in strengthening healthcare delivery anchored on impact, practicality, visibility, and a lasting commitment to the nation.